This is the Medicine Hat and District Chamber of Commerce with your daily COVID-19 update for May 7th. General workplace guidance is available to help support business owners reopening or continuing operations in order to reduce the risk of transmission of COVID-19. However, we know there's still questions for specific industries, particularly as businesses prepare for phase 1 of the relaunch. To help, we've found a few additional resources for you. Restaurants Canada has a guidance document for physical distancing, cleaning and sanitation, and health and personal hygiene. The Retail Council of Canada has developed playbooks to ensure customers feel safe while shopping and employees can stay safe and healthy. And the Beauty Council has also compiled some recommendations in their take on reopening the personal service industry. If you have industry resources you would like to share with us, please email them to policy@medicinehatchamber.com. We also know that PPE has been a concern for many businesses that are planning to reopen in phase 1. In the event that specific PPE is not available locally or through your suppliers, you can access the Provincial Operations Center website to order PPE. Once you've completed the online request form, you'll receive a confirmation notification via email. If you have issues with the PPE online orders, we do have an email in our daily update that you can contact. The Government of Alberta is introducing several new supports to help farmers and ranchers through AgriRecovery. A new fed cattle set-aside program will allow beef producers to hold on to their cattle for several weeks, allowing the supply of animals to more evenly match demand and reduced processing capacity. The Government of Alberta will immediately increase the interim payment under agri-stability from 50% to 75% for the hog sector, and similarly the same amount to the potato industry. So you can find those details in our daily update. The Government of Canada announced that it's providing up to $3 billion in support to increase the wages of low-income essential workers. Each province and territory will determine which workers will be eligible for support and how much support they will receive. So we'll keep you updated as we receive additional information. There were some recent surveys that were held provincially and nationally. So the Alberta Chamber of Commerce survey, in partnership with Community Futures and Economic Developers Alberta, showed that 90% of businesses have been negatively impacted by COVID-19, with more than 2/3 classifying the impact as significantly negative. In addition, the Canadian Chamber survey, in partnership with Statistics Canada, revealed the difficulties businesses are facing with sourcing goods into the country, the pullback of activities for those with investments abroad, and the global supply chain disruptions. So you can see those details and the links to the survey results through our daily information. There's some new resources that we're sharing with you, along with several webinars. There's a few webinars from Apex Alberta that cover off social media training, Facebook sessions. There's a recorded LinkedIn session, as well as HR sessions. And there's a few that have come out provincially and nationally. So there's one about ensuring the recovery and resilience of Canada's food service sector, taking place next week on May 12th through the Canadian Chamber of Commerce. There's one on virtual selling that is being brought to you by the Better Business Bureau. And there's one from BDC on planning for recovery and how to restart your business in the wake of COVID-19. So you can see all those resources in our daily update. We hope this has helped, and we'll talk to you again soon. Take care.